Hey there! Today we're going to talk about Quality 4.0, the future of quality management in the digital age. First, let's take a step back and look at the traditional quality management system, QMS. You know, the process of monitoring and maintaining quality standards in a product or service. With the Industry 4.0 movement, QMS has undergone a major shift, paving the way for the emergence of Quality 4.0. So, what exactly is Quality 4.0? Well, it's all about integrating digital technologies and data analytics into the manufacturing process. There are a number of different technologies that fall under the Quality 4.0 umbrella, such as big data analytics, IoT devices, and artificial intelligence. These technologies are used to improve quality management processes and increase efficiency. For example, with big data analytics, manufacturers can monitor the performance of their machines in real time, identify patterns and anomalies, and use this information to prevent defects and reduce downtime. So, what are the benefits of implementing Quality 4.0 in your organization? There are quite a few. For one thing, you can expect to see reduced defects, improved customer satisfaction, and increased efficiency. By using data analytics to identify and address quality issues in real time, you can prevent defects from happening in the first place, which ultimately saves time and money. Of course, there are also challenges and risks associated with implementing Quality 4.0. One of the biggest concerns is data privacy and security. With all the data being generated by IoT devices and other digital technologies, it's important to have robust security measures in place to protect sensitive information. Another challenge is the need for skilled personnel to manage these technologies. As the field of quality management becomes more data-driven, it's essential to have experts who are able to analyze and interpret this data effectively. Overall, Quality 4.0 is an exciting development in the world of quality management. By leveraging the power of digital technologies and data analytics, organizations can achieve significant improvements in their quality management processes and overall business performance. Keep exploring the possibilities of Quality 4.0 and stay connected with us for more updates. We also invite you to share this video with your professional network, as the information may be useful to them as well. Thank you.